This is the power of a split test. You can see here's 3 exactly identical ads, and yet the differences are astounding. Take a look at this. So far, this one here has generated 1 lead for $8.23. This one here has generated 2 leads, so for $3.98 each. And this one here has generated 1 lead for $7.46. How can the exact same ad generate such a different price for the leads? And the answer is how Facebook delivers these ads. For real estate ads, you have to target a fairly large area of 15 miles, which means that Facebook has to figure out really quickly which is the right audience for your ad. So Facebook will experiment with different audiences for each of the ads that you launch. And you can see here, we have found leads that are coming in for $3.98. So I would turn off the other 2 and keep this one as a winner. Here is a completely separate example. This is an image ad here, and you can see this one brought in a lead for $7.76, this one for $8.09, and the third one for $4.13. Another perfect example of power of a split test. And if that wasn't enough, I'm going to show you one more here too. Here's another one, $8.26, another one at $7.83, almost identical, and the third ad is at $2.61. If you hadn't run these 3 ads, you might have picked this ad here as the only ad that you had running, and you'd be paying $8 a lead versus $2.61 a lead. So what is the split test and how do you launch it? So when you're launching an ad, you're going to have this opportunity here to select how many ads you like in a split test. So we recommend doing a 3-ad split test. So in this case, it'll spend $7 over 3 ads. So you can see here, you'll spend $21 a day. But then after that first day, you can turn off the other 2 ads and keep the best performing ad. Now you'll be able to keep the best performing ad at the lowest cost. This will save you hundreds of dollars in the long run. Then just go ahead and hit deploy.